Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy, quick and easy Amla Chutney recipe. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in juice of 1 whole lemon. Add in 1 to 2 tablespoon water. Small piece of ginger. I'm roughly slicing the ginger and adding in. Adding the liquid first will help to easily blend the ingredients. I'm using about a handful or 5 amlas. Amla is also known as gooseberry. It's one of the richest source of vitamin C. So it's always ideal to include amla in your diet, especially when they are in season, as they help to boost your immunity. I'm roughly slicing the amla into the blender jar. And make sure you remove the pit of the amla. I have already shared how to preserve amla. It's a good way of preserving amla when they are in season. I have also shared some chutney recipes using amla. Please do check them out. 2 to 3 green chilies or as needed. Half teaspoon lightly crushed black peppercorns. 1/3 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. A fat pinch of hing, also known as asafoetida powder. A handful of fresh coriander leaves. Note that I am also using the stalk of the coriander leaves. The stalks will give an amazing flavor to the chutney, so try not to skip it. Lastly, I am adding in 1 teaspoon sea salt or as needed. And now I am going to blend this until it becomes a nice chutney consistency. If you want, you can add in a couple of tablespoons extra water to help it grind after pulsing it for a couple of seconds. Okay, now the amla chutney is nicely ground. I'm going to transfer this to a serving bowl. This amla chutney can be used as a spread for sandwiches or as a dip for pakoras, or you can even enjoy this with plain roti. And my super healthy amla chutney is ready to serve. Now the best thing about this chutney is that you can store it in an airtight glass container and it will stay good for about 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator. So guys, do try this healthy amla chutney and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.